Step 1. Place the fabrics you wish to dye in the washing machine. Step 2. Pour the fabric dye straight into the drum with the fabric. Step 3. Add 500 grams of salt, also directly into the drum. Step 4. Set the machine to wash the fabric at 40 degrees. Do not add washing powder. Step 5. When the machine has finished, wash the fabric again to rinse it. Step 6. Either tumble-dry your material or hang it to dry. Step 7. Iron your material and it's ready for you to get creative. Need some inspiration? Why not dye ready-made aprons or bags? You could print onto your dyed fabric. For more information on block printing, visit www.theindianblockcompany.com. For inspiration on what to make with your fabric, visit our Colouricious website and browse our DVDs.